Hey YouTubers, in this video I'm going to be talking about one of the most important things that a lot of new drummers miss when they start playing drums. Let's do it. Alright, welcome to the lesson. In this video we are talking about one of the most important things that a lot of new drummers miss when they first start playing the drums, and that is subdivisions and counting. All subdivisions is your note values, your quarter notes, your eighth note triplets, 16th notes, so on and so on. And I'm going to cover just a little bit of subdivisions. Now, I'm not going to go through all of them in this video, but I am going to go dive way deeper into this content on my website, drummer101.com. If you are new to drumming and you don't know where to begin and you're just looking for some fresh content to get you going, go over to drummer101.com after the lesson, download my free reference guide, and then you'll get lessons sent straight to your email. All right, back to the subdivisions. This exercise, we're going to play a basic groove. At this point, I'm assuming you know the basic groove: kick, hats, snare, hats. We're going to play that, but we are going to physically count out loud. And so we can hear our quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to play our eighth notes on our hi-hats. So you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're using that quarter note count as our anchor for where our beats are. Beats 1, 2, 3, and 4. After we get through one measure of that, we're going to count eighth notes. So our count is going to line up with our right hand on our hi-hats. So whatever we're speaking verbally, the 1 and 2 and, that's lining up with your right hand. Pretty easy. Going to the next subdivision, we're going to go to eighth note triplets. So that's going to be 3 notes per beat, and that's where it starts to get a little bit trickier. So you're going to get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and So you're going to have 3 notes per beat, and that's when your count is going to kind of ebb and flow through the right hand on your hi-hats. So we're going to count 1 measure of quarter notes, play a basic groove, 1 measure of eighth notes, still playing the basic groove. Then we're going to count 1 measure of eighth note triplets, playing the basic groove. What we're playing on the drums does not change. Our count, what we're saying out loud, that does change. So it's going to last 3 measures long. So let's try it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, so that's only half of the exercise. The other half of the exercise is once we make it through one round of the 3 bars, we're going to keep our count the same, but our hi-hats are going to be the thing that's changing. So what we're speaking or what we're saying out loud is going to be the constant. Our right hand changes. Kicks and snares, they stay in the same place. You're going to have kicks on 1 and 3, snares on 2 and 4. So you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, now the next step is to be able to get the freedom to do the first exercise where our count is changing, keeping what we're playing on the drums constant, make it through all 3 measures. Then at the end of that last measure, going into the next measure, we are going to switch that. Our drums are going to change. Our count is going to be constant quarter notes. So for example, it's going to be 6 bars long. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 a 4 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there you go. So there's an exercise that will kind of get your feet wet with freedom of subdividing. It kind of frees up your count while you're playing, and it frees up your playing while you're counting. But you must count out loud in the beginning so you can physically hear the anchor point of the downbeats. Okay, lastly, what is something that you are struggling with on the drums, or what is something that you have struggled with in the past as a new drummer? Go ahead and leave your comments down below. I'd be glad to hear them. And once again, head over to drummer101.com, download that free reference guide. I will see you guys later.